Every family needs a chopping board. Have you thought send it as a holiday gift to your friends or a family member? If yes, make it more personalized will be more fun. You can mark your greetings, the patterns, or even your family photos on the chopping board. Make it the unique gift in this world. But how make this happen? Are you curious? Let me show you how the laser machine working on this chopping board.
Press arrow to workpiece origin, then press origin frame. The laser head will frame out the whole working area without laser beam out. Then press start to start work. In case you need to pause the work, just press start pause button. The machine in the video is Omni CNC laser 6090 model 100-watt laser tube. The chopping board size is 50 by 80 centimeters. Working speed is 600 millimeters per second, and the power is 15%. It takes 18 minutes for the whole processing work. Here are 5 tips. Hope that will be helpful for your laser machine operation. Here is the tip. Before you do the work, do some tests on the similar material to ensure the laser burning effect is what you want. Number 2. Remember to wear the anti-laser eyewear. This is very important. Laser effects on the eyes. The unprotected human eye is extremely sensitive to laser radiation and can be permanently damaged from direct or reflected beams. Number 3. Using the antifreeze in the winter. When the temperature is freezing or below, to protect your laser tube, we suggest you to use the antifreeze in the cooling system. Never leave the water in the laser tube when the machine is in an unheated garage. And it is absolutely no problem to use the antifreeze solely as a cooling method. Number 4. Monitor your laser tube regularly. All tubes will have a finite life, and the power output will gradually decrease with the time. Buy yourself a low-cost power meter and regularly check the power directly out of the laser tube. Once it hits around 65% of related power, it's time to start planning for a replacement. So, plan ahead and order a replacement tube while yours is still working. It can be used as an emergency backup. Number 5. Clean the lens and mirror regularly. Use a new clean cotton ball or cotton swab. Dampen cotton with propanol. The cotton must not be dry. Slowly and gently wipe the element in a regular pattern. Do not scrub the surface. If the surface is left with white marks, wipe it at a slower rate. Thanks for watching the video. Any message, please leave here.